Hi, in this video we're going to talk about the new and improved snipping tool that comes with Windows 11. So the snipping tool was available in Windows 10 and it could be used to capture screenshots or capture a certain section of the screen, and then you could save it as an image file or copy and paste it into whatever application you're working on. So to get to it, all you need to do is do a little search for it. You find it in your apps, but it's easier just to search for snipping tool. And then you'll bring that up, and then we have the options here, just like the old version. They just look a little different. So you have your modes, if you want to draw a rectangle, or if you want to capture a certain active window or the full screen, or if you want to draw your own shape. And then it has a delay. So when you click on new, it'll start the tool right away. You could have it delay 3, 5, or 10 seconds. And so I have this little image here we're going to play with. So let's say we're going to use the rectangle mode with no delay. Just click on new, draw your circle. And there you go. Let's say you wanted to do free form mode, new. You want whatever kind of weird shape you want to draw, that kind of thing. And let's say you want to do a delay because you don't want it to kick in right away. So it's 3 seconds to click new. And then 3 seconds later. And then also you could change your modes from up here, or you could cancel out from here as well. So let's take our image here again. All right, so once you have your screenshot captured, you have the usual tools for, markup if you want to draw some ink on it, or if you want to highlight certain stuff. And before, with the eraser, you'd have to click on the eraser, then click on the ink, but this time you just click on this little thing, erase all ink. And now the tool has a ruler, so if you want to measure some stuff, you could do that. And then also a protractor as well, if you need to work with that. So I noticed if you want to get rid of it, you can't just click on this again. If you drag it off the screen, it seems to be a way to get rid of it. And then it has this touch writing tool here, which I believe is if you have a touch screen on your monitor, for example, a laptop, then you could use your finger for that. And then if you want to crop out a section, you could do that. This is new for this version here. Say we just want the buses, and just click on check mark if you like it. And it even has undo and redo options, except it doesn't work for the crop, it just works for the ink. And then up here you have your zoom in. If you want to zoom into your image, this is new. Then you have your usual save, your copy, and then your share. This is new too. So you could share to email or whatever apps you have on your computer here. So these will vary depending on what your computer is set up as. And then you could do open, open with, print, and then the settings, a couple new things here. So if you want to use the print screen key to open the snipping tool, you could click on this here. Click on yes. It'll open your settings. And then you just scroll down to where it says use the print screen button to open the screen snipping. So if you turn that on, when you press the print screen button, it'll open the snipping tool and you won't have to run it manually. So it's up to you if you want to do that. Automatically copy to the clipboard. So when you make a clip here, it's automatically copied, so you don't have to click on the copy icon. Save snip. So when you close it, the Windows 10 would ask you if you wanted to save it. So this is turned off by default. So if you close it, it'll just close without asking you unless you turn that on. And then the multiple windows. So if you have that on, and now we do another new one. So I got 2 windows here, so that way you don't have to overwrite your other one, because before, let's say you have this off. Go back and turn that off here. Turn this delay off too. So if we go new again, it just wipes out our previous one. I got the protractor back. And do new again, it wipes out that one, and so on. So that's kind of a cool option if you want to do multiple clips without having to, wipe out the other one first. And then this outline option, I don't think it's too handy, but I'll show you what that does too. It puts an outline over the thing that you copied here. Just like that red box there. And then you could go in and change the theme if you want to use the system theme with Windows, or if you want to use dark. And then you reopen it here. Now we've got the dark theme here. So just a little preference there. So, it's a pretty cool tool. Comes in handy. I use it all the time for capturing screenshots of things. If you want to copy and paste something from a website into an email, just take a little picture of it. Or if you want to do the whole screen, of course, you could pick one of these other options. So once again, just type in snipping and then, click on new, pick your settings here first, and you'll be taking screenshots. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.